Hey guys, so do you want to create your own YouTube channel? Right? So you are in the right place. This video is for you. Maybe you're thinking, what should I name my channel? How do I design that banner thing? Which setting to update in YouTube? And how to upload the videos in YouTube? Don't worry, I'm here to help you in a very simple way. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own YouTube channel in 2025. From zero to everything in detail. No confusion, no pressure. And we'll use free AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to make it very easy and fun as well. You don't need to be a tech expert. I will create from basic to explaining all the things in detail, so you can follow along with me to do this for you. Let's go step by step, like best friends learning together. Okay, cool. Let's do now. Let's see each step below. It's a 6-step process to create a YouTube channel and make it live. We will cover these topics in this video. Overall, step 1. First thing first, we have to sign into YouTube. Step 2. Create your YouTube channel. Here is a bonus tip. Use ChatGPT to find your channel name and content ideas. Step 3. Design profile picture and banner and update them in YouTube settings. Step 4. Fill up the channel information and settings. Step 5. Advanced settings and SEO basics. Step 6. Get content ideas using ChatGPT. Final wrap up. Let's do it together. No further delays. Let's jump into the video. This is very simple method to create a YouTube channel with help of AI tool ChatGPT. All the necessary content about channel description, tags, default uploads content, and channel video generation ideas will provide by ChatGPT for you. It's very simple and also very effective for you to create YouTube channel. I have provided detailed step-by-step documentation in the video description. Please open it to start the process to create YouTube channel. You will see the section of tools required, Gmail for YouTube login and ChatGPT account to generate content, and Canva for design, profile image and channel art banner for this, and also ChatGPT prompt section. This is complete detailed documentation to create YouTube channel. Let's start. First thing, you need a Gmail account. If you already have one, great. Just open youtube.com and click sign in at the top right. If you don't have Gmail, no problem. Just go to gmail.com and click create account. It will ask your name, a username, password, just basic stuff. Make it simple. Once your Gmail is ready, open youtube.com again and sign in. Once you are signed in, you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of the browser. This is the same process in your mobile as well. Alright, now you are in. One step is done. Now let's create your actual YouTube channel. Click your profile icon in the top right, then select create a channel. You'll see a page asking for your channel name. Now this is where many people get stuck. You might be thinking, what name should I keep here? Something confusion, right? What to update here? Which name is best for your YouTube channel? Don't stress. I've got a hack for you. Bonus tip, let ChatGPT help you here. Go to chat.openai.com and use this prompt. The prompt details document you will find in this video description. Once you follow the link and open the document, check the ChatGPT prompts section. The ChatGPT free version is enough for this to use to generate content and suggestions. You will find the prompt to suggest 10 simple and creative YouTube channel names for my content about your channel name and niche. So update here your desired word and update niche in this prompt and hit generate. Now, for tech tutorials topics, the ChatGPT might give you names like Code Yatra, Tech Shala, and Consam Tape. Sounds cool, right? Pick the one you like the most. You can also even ask ChatGPT, give me more like this. Once you decided your name from the ChatGPT suggestions, or if you already have a name, then type here in the name field and use the same name without spaces for your handle URL. Basically, handle is your brand name, URL, it appears in your channel YouTube URL like youtube.com/ and follows your handle name in the URL. Here I'm selecting digital roots for my channel demo purpose. And here you can see the handle URL is not available, so make changes as hyphen between words or any additional word to check whether it's available. Let's go with this. Now click on Create Channel. Now the channel is created and showing messages your channel is created, and check back in a few minutes. So let's take a moment and refresh the browser. It's ready. The new channel creation is completed. We can see here. Now it's step 3. It's time to create and update the profile picture and channel art banner. Let's make your channel look nice like a proper YouTuber. Go to canva.com. It's free and super easy. Create an account or log in into the Canva and now click on Create. In the search bar, type YouTube profile picture. Click on the provided option of it. You'll see lots of ready-made templates from the left side panel. Pick one you like. And update the profile image or brand image in the mockup image once the design is done. Then, click on Share button and then click on Download button. Now choose the file type as PNG format. Finally, click on Download and save it. Now the profile picture is ready to upload in YouTube settings. Now for the YouTube channel art design, go to Home, click on Create Design, search for a YouTube channel banner. Select YouTube channel art option here. Name is as channel art file name. Now select design from left menu. And there are a number of templates available in the panel. Pick any one template to create. Update the content like logo or image, update, channel name, subheading, handle or website URL, update, same way like before. Once the design is done, then click on Share button and then click on Download button. Now choose the file type as PNG format. Finally, download it on your local machine. You have downloaded both. Now go back to YouTube, click on the profile icon at the right side, then click on the YouTube Studio, select Continue, click on the customization. Now the fun part begins. You will see the setting options are banner image, profile picture, name, handle, description, languages, channel URL, links. Your social media links can update here, contact info, update your personal or business email here, and video watermark image. Now first, let's update one by one here. Upload the banner and profile picture like this. Okay, now step 4. Generate channel description from ChatGPT. Go back to the document page and check the prompt for the channel description. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Update the channel name and channel topic and then hit the Generate button. Now the magic happens. ChatGPT will provide you the channel description content. Modify the text if you would like and update the same in the channel description section. Now next, links section. You can update here your social media links and website link in this section. Contact info section. You can update your personal email or business email in this field. And now you can upload a small icon of watermark image. You can upload from here. You can set options like for the entire video to show only at some point in time or start of the video that you can choose here. Update your watermark image accordingly. It's all done for the basic settings. Now click on the publish button to save the changes. Now click on the view channel and then it's loading. And yay, all the changes are reflected now.
All the changes of profile image, channel art,
Now we are going to update the advanced settings for the channel. Click on the profile icon and go to YouTube Studio. And now click on the settings.
then go to the settings.
Here we can see the options like General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions, and other options. Let's update one by one options here. In General, let's leave as it has. Currency as USD, or you can update your currency here and move to the next options. Channel. Basic info options are country of residence and keywords. Update your living country here in the drop-down. For keywords generation, let's go back to the document page.
For generation, so again let's go to the top.
Check the ChatGPT prompt for the keywords generation and copy it and paste the prompt in ChatGPT, then hit generate button. These keywords will help people find your channel. The keywords are generated separated by commas. Copy them and paste into the keyword settings. Now see the character length and let's remove a few of them to make it proper and click on the save button. Again, click on settings and click on channel. Now the basic info settings are updated. Let's update the advanced settings. Check the audience option. Select the proper option, whether your video is made for kids, yes or no. Choose any option from here. Other options, let's leave as it is and go to the next option. Feature eligibility. All of these features will be eligible once you verify with your phone number and identity. Go through the options and choose actions accordingly. Now go to the next option. Upload defaults. Go back to the document page and check the ChatGPT prompt for generating the upload defaults, title, description, and tags. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate button. It will provide you the detailed content of title, description, and tags. Update it in the settings. And check the advanced settings in the upload defaults, license, languages, category, and other options to update as per your channel. And save it. Okay, your channel is ready now. Awesome, right? But now the big question is, what should I upload? For this, video ideas and video script generation, ChatGPT will help you. Go to the document page and check the YouTube video generation prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. See the results. It's awesome, right? Just follow it accordingly. So my friend, now you know how to make a YouTube channel, how to design banners and profiles using Canva, how to set everything up like a pro, and even how to get content ideas using AI ChatGPT. This is all in one video. You're ready now. Don't wait for the perfect camera, perfect voice, or perfect moment. Start with what you have. learn as you go, because one day people will say, I'm glad I found your channel, and you'll remember this moment. Now go create your first video, and if this helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and comment. Let's go. I'm starting today. This is Khadar Shine, cheering for you. See you in the next video where I'll teach you how to record, upload, and rank your first video using smart AI tools. Until then, keep shining and keep smiling.